There used to be giant ones coming into the town. Oh, there's me pa. My dad's cutting me off. My own father cutting me off. Imagine that. That's okay. He's like, that shit box will never get here in time. Take off. There are those things. Oh my god, those things are here. They're gonna overtake the town. Those little trees, whatever they are, they're a real pain in the butt. There's seeds on them, and I guess the birds eat the seeds and then they fly around and plant the seeds that way. There's some nice colors there. This tree's so green, green, green. For an oak. But, yeah. Training. Oh, what's that? Piece of something? Piece of something. I don't think it's a very good something if they left it there like that. Well, might as well make a vlog. So not too much else to do today, except for call about my winter tires. We never know when that winter thing's going to show up, especially in October. It could be now, could be in 5 minutes from now, could be in 2 weeks. Don't know. But next week, Dad's going moosing. I hope he gets one. My cousin shot the one last year. I think they got it on day 2. I think it was about day 2 when they got it. So I really want my dad to get the moose. So like that would be, I'd be so happy for him if he could get the moose. I'll be happy for me too, because that means I get about another year's worth of moose meat. And oh yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. Anyway, yeah.